Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OneLogin in Webflow Member areas, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with OneLogin in Webflow Member areas, start by logging into your OneLogin admin account. Navigate to the Applications section from the dashboard. Click on the Add App button to create a new application. Search for Webflow in the application catalog. Select the Webflow app from the search results. Configure the application settings by filling in the required fields. Set the launch URL to your Webflow site's URL. Choose the appropriate authentication method, typically SAML 2.0. Gather the necessary SAML settings from Webflow, which includes the issuer URL and the sign-in URL. In Webflow, go to the Project Settings and then to the Authentication tab. Enable the SAML authentication feature in Webflow. Copy the SAML attributes provided by OneLogin into the corresponding fields in Webflow. Enter the OneLogin SAML endpoint URLs in their respective fields in Webflow. Save the changes in Webflow after entering all required information. Go back to your OneLogin application and complete the identity provider settings. Test the connection by navigating to your Webflow site. Log in using your OneLogin credentials to ensure authentication works properly. Check for any error messages and troubleshoot as needed. Once everything is set up correctly, you can now manage your member areas securely with OneLogin authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.